Hey y'all, I'm Miss Star, and this is the Huntress, here back on MissStarTv, but this time we're gonna dye some Easter eggs. Okay, the first step is to put one egg into each one of these pouches. They have to be dry eggs. After you get all of that done, you'll have to take each of the color egg dye pieces and cut to the corner, like this. Now, put 1 to 2 drops of each coloring into each pouch with a dry egg inside. After that, you'll want to massage the egg gently while it's in the pouch, covering the egg with all the colors. Before the egg has time to dry, put a little bit of glitter on it. And it should come out a little something like this. Thanks for watching. This was simple, easy, fun, and messy. If you liked what you saw, click that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Also follow us on Patreon and become a big part of our StarTv family. Bye!